Farmer-to-farmer learning, F2F, is a participatory approach where farmers share knowledge, experiences, and best practices with their peers. This approach is particularly effective for smallholder dairy farmers in villages, as it builds on trust, local context, and shared experiences. It provides practical, context-specific knowledge tailored to local conditions, making it easier for farmers to implement. Moreover, it is cost-effective since it eliminates the need for external trainers and utilizes local expertise. Dairy farmers are more likely to trust advice from peers who face similar challenges, and it encourages collaboration, teamwork, and cooperative efforts such as bulk milk collection and fodder cultivation. This approach supports adult education in dairy farming through interactive and experience-based learning methods, which are more effective for adults than formal lectures. Dairy farmers respect and engage more actively with facilitators who share their background and challenges. Practical demonstrations by experienced dairy farmers lead to better retention of skills and practices, fostering long-term learning. Additionally, F2F learning improves productivity by encouraging the adoption of best practices such as proper milking hygiene, feeding methods, and heat detection. Timely problem-solving and efficient resource utilization, such as using crop residues or manure effectively, also help minimize disruptions in production. Peer-to-peer learning also fosters encouragement, motivation, and continuous learning. Seeing peers succeed inspires others to improve their practices, and regular interactions ensure that dairy farmers stay updated with new technologies and techniques. In times of difficulty, such as natural disasters or disease outbreaks, peers provide moral and practical support. This collective effort strengthens rural economies by improving milk quality and quantity, enhancing the supply chain, and creating employment opportunities through value-added activities like paneer, ghee, and curd production. Moreover, cooperative structures built on farmer-to-farmer learning improve dairy farmers' bargaining power and income stability, contributing to economic resilience in rural areas. Farmer-to-farmer learning also taps into rural expertise, ensuring that traditional, time-tested methods are preserved while encouraging the adoption of innovative practices. Successful dairy farmers act as role models, inspiring others, and the shared techniques are culturally relevant and adaptable to the local context. The approach also offers significant environmental benefits, particularly in the context of climate change. Dairy farmers learn sustainable practices such as rotational grazing, manure management, and planting fodder trees, which reduce environmental impact. Biodiversity preservation and reduced reliance on monocultures are additional benefits. Practices like biogas production from manure and water conservation techniques further enhance resource efficiency and contribute to climate-smart dairy farming. Several tropical countries provide excellent examples of farmer-to-farmer learning in dairy farming. In Kenya, dairy farmer hubs under the Kenya Dairy Board facilitate farmer-to-farmer learning, focusing on silage making, milk hygiene, and disease prevention, which have significantly improved milk yields and incomes. India's MUL Dairy Cooperative organizes dairy farmer meetings and workshops, teaching dairy farmers about cattle nutrition, clean milk production, and efficient marketing, empowering millions of smallholder dairy farmers and boosting rural dairy economies. In Sri Lanka, dairy farmer groups supported by development projects conduct peer training sessions on fodder cultivation, with the support of the Department of Animal Production and Health leading to improved milk production. Similarly, Bangladesh's dairy farmer field schools focus on low-cost housing, heat stress management, and milk quality testing, helping rural farmers improve productivity while reducing environmental impact. In Uganda, experienced dairy farmers teach peers to use cow dung for biogas production, reducing firewood reliance and providing an additional energy source for rural households. Despite its many advantages, farmer-to-farmer learning does have limitations. The quality of knowledge shared can vary if not guided by technical support, and some farmers may hesitate to share information due to fear of competition. The approach may also have limited reach without proper organization, and over-reliance on a few experienced farmers can restrict knowledge dissemination. However, these challenges can be addressed by forming dairy farmer groups, equipping lead dairy farmers with training, using demonstration dairy farms as learning hubs, fostering cooperatives, promoting gender inclusivity, and incorporating technology like mobile apps or social media to share successful practices widely. In conclusion, farmer-to-farmer learning is a powerful tool for smallholder dairy farmers in villages, addressing productivity improvement, peer support, knowledge sharing, and sustainability. Examples from Kenya, India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Uganda highlight the transformative potential of this approach in enhancing rural livelihoods, supporting rural economies, and promoting climate-smart, environmentally friendly dairy farming. With proper support and structure, farmer-to-farmer learning can contribute significantly to local and global sustainability goals.